this video I am showing you how you can bulk delete Facebook posts on Facebook. So firstly you have to open your Facebook app and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then you can open the see your profile. When you are here you have to click on the three dots in the right side of add to a story, and then you can open the activity log. When you are here you have to click on the manage your posts. In the your post option, tap on the manage your posts, and when you are here you have to bulk delete, simply click on the filters in the top left corner, and here you can choose the categories, date or people, but in my case you have to choose the date, and then click on the start date, and here you can choose the 14th August like this, and you can choose the any of the date according to your wish, and then click on the OK in the bottom right corner. And after choosing the date, start date and end date, you can click on the done in the top right corner, and then here you can find all the dates, all the posts between these dates. So to delete all posts, or you can delete individual post by tapping on this box in the left side of this post. So if you want to delete all posts, tap on the all in the top left corner of these dates, and then click on the recycle bin in the bottom right corner, and here you can read this warning: items moved to the recycle bin will be deleted after 30 days. So you can click on the move to recycle bin, and after moving to the recycle bin you can go to the recycle bin by clicking on the recycle bin in the top left corner, and here you can find this post. So you can delete it by clicking on the, choosing this, and then you can click on the trash icon in the bottom right corner, and then you can click on the delete, and it is saying that items that you delete can't be restored. Click on the delete, and now it is permanently deleted. So that's it, at how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.